With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. Three dipole, each of dipole moment P are placed tangentially on a circle of radius r in its plane positioned at the equal angle from each other as shown in the figure. Then magnitude of electric field intensity at the center of the circle. So if you see, the dipole are placed tangentially on the circle of radius r, right? So if you see tangentially, it will be like this, tangentially it will be like this, and tangentially it will be like this. So if you see here, if I talk about the dipole, the electric field because of a dipole moment at a equatorial point, let's say I take a equatorial point, this, right, here it will be in this direction, anti-parallel to the dipole, like this. So if you see here, what will happen, this will be having negative charge, this point will be having positive charge, right? So this will apply a force towards the point and this will apply a force away, electric field away from the point. So from the symmetry you will get the field direction anti-parallel to the dipole. All right, now if you see here, if I talk about, if I say this as 1 and 2 and 3, so if I draw the electric field, it will be, because of the 1 it will be this, because of the 2 it will be this, it is parallel to this line, and because of the 3, if you see it, it will be like this, right? So if you see from the symmetry here, these are the direction of the electric field 1, 2 and 3. This is electric field 1 and this is electric field 2 and this is electric field 3, right? So if you see here, if I draw the diagram, it is like this: E1 because of 1, E2 and E3, and the magnitude of the 3 is same, and the angle you can check here, it will be 120, 120 and 120, and it is E2, it is E3, right? So if you see, as we already mentioned here, that the magnitude will be the same because they each dipole is having dipole moment this, and distance from this point, tangential point to center, is r. So E1 will be equals to E2 is equals to E3. All right, so if you see, if I talk about the net electric field at the center O, if I say this point O, it is equals to, simply from the symmetry, it will be 0, because equally placed, equal magnitude electric field vector, right? Because of them, the net electric field will be 0 from the symmetry, right? If you join it tail to tail, you will get a equilateral triangle. If you join them tail to tail, you will get a equilateral triangle, right? If you draw it like this, is the E1, right? This is E2 and this is E3. So see, this is forming a closed loop. This is E2. If you see, it is E2 and this is E3, and it is forming a closed loop, and from symmetry also you can see it will be 0. So D is the correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.